welcome back to Gapey's Greenhouse. Today we are not doing a pepper update, but we're doing a little celebration of my 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. So what we're doing is a big giveaway, and I'll be giving away 2 giveaways, and the first grand prize winner is going to get this book. This is a book that I received from accetta-scott. She's a farm girl in the making on Instagram, but this is called Preserving the Harvest. So if you grow your own food, you're definitely going to want this book. So she goes into how to do canning, freezing, dehydrating, and fermenting, and all the different ways you can do these. And there's a lot of recipes and tips and tricks on how to do all those things. So you're going to want this book. And then also we have my hot sauce that I made last year. This is, every batch of hot sauce that I make is different. And this one is one that I made last year. I only had, I think, 6 bottles of this. So you'll get this one, which includes Black Cobra, Black Pearl, Lemon Starburst, Orange Dorset, Reza Macedonian, Scotch Brain, Scotch Bonnets, SPL Sunrise Gold, White Hobito Peach Peppers. And then it also has some onions, garlic, carrots, golden beets, quince juice, orange juice, honey, and a little bit of xanthan gum to thicken it up just a little bit. So that's a really tasty sauce. It's not super hot, but it's a nice medium hot sauce. And then next thing that you'll get is 5 packets of seeds of your choice from my over 800 variety seed list. So I've got all kinds of different seeds, from tomatoes and peppers to greens, corn, carrots, you name it, I've got it. So you'll want to win this giveaway. That'll be all the stuff for the grand prize winner. I'll also have a second place winner that will just receive 5 packets of your choice of seeds from my seed inventory. So all you need to do to enter is write a comment and let me know what you want to see on my YouTube. What kind of stuff do you want me to post about? Do you want to see more garden updates? Do you want to see some recipes, cooking? Just let me know what you want to see and I'll see what I can do about that. Thank you all for the subscriptions, comments, and likes, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and good luck.